To change the text wrapping on an image, select the image, then select the small icon next to it, which gives you the layout options. You have several different options to choose from, as you can see here. If you scroll over them, they will tell you what the different option does. You can also navigate to these options by selecting the picture, clicking on Picture Format, and then Wrap Text. This will give you some further options as well. Most of the time you'll want to use the Tight option, as this will enable you to move the image and the text will flow around it. Here I will just show you some of the different options that you have when formatting the text wrapping. The top and bottom option means that the text stops at the top of the image and continues at the bottom. In front of text means that the image appears in front of the text. The text behind the image is not visible. You have the tight option, also known as the through option. It means that text wraps around the image regardless of its shape. You also have a few options with your wrap text. If you click on wrap text, more layout options, it will bring out the layout menu. Here you have a little bit more control over how the text wraps around the image. So here you can tell it where you want it to wrap, you can tell it the distance that you want the text to be from the image, etc. Once you've changed your options, you can then press OK and it will apply it to your text and image. As you can see here, I increased the image distance so that the text now has a slight border around that image. With text wrapping, it really depends on what you're trying to achieve within your document, so just try out the different options and see what works best for you.